Hi everyone, it's Chef Katrina here, and I wanted to show you guys how to create these Facebook tabs that are right here. So if you've ever wondered how to get them on here and if you can create certain ones or anything like that, I'm going to show you really how easy it is. I believe you can have up to 12, well, it looks like 16 different tabs on here. And you can create them yourself, and there's a free program that'll allow you to do this. And I want to show you guys kind of what that is. So you're going to go up into the search box right here, and you're going to type in Woo Box. Okay? It's W-O-O-B-O-X. You're going to look for the static HTML iframe tab by WooBox. Okay? So go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to go ahead and add a custom page tab to your Facebook page, which is really cool. The guys that don't know, it is what you see is what you get is what this is. So if you guys ever see that, it's pretty straightforward. It's just basically an easy way to do something. So if you ever see that one on here, but you're going to go ahead and install page tabs. You're going to choose your fan page to install it on, and you're going to go ahead and add page tabs. Okay? Easy enough to do. It's loading here. What you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to you can change the image here. You can also redirect to a URL. So if you want to redirect this to an outside URL, something maybe to your blog or something like that, you can put that in here. I'm actually going to go ahead and use for this one the blog for this page, which is and just kind of put that in there, and then basically what you can do is you can change your pictures and everything else like that. I'm gonna go ahead and save settings on this one because I want to show you something that I learned while going through this. Here it is. I said instructions for using your own tab icon. Some things you can change in there, some things you can't. So what you have to do is you have to go to developers Facebook, which will open up in another one, and basically have to create a new app. Okay? Then what you're going to do, you're going to create the app's name. So I'm going to put Relive website on there. Don't worry about the additional space. This is going to be the name of the app. So this is actually going to show up underneath the app itself. So you're going to go ahead and continue, or underneath the tab itself. Of course, there's always a security check because that's how this rolls. And continue. Okay? Once you get this set up for the first time, it'll be easier to set up the second one and the third one, but you have to go through the application first. So now that you have your apps here, you have an app ID and an app secret. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to collect this. I'm going to do Control Copy on that one, so that's a right click down. Then I'm going to go back to my page. So once you've got it all set up and you've got your basic website here, and the next thing it says to do is to configure your ad. You're going to take this, but you're going to go to WooBox Apps Setup. Okay? And you're basically going to put this information right in there. So you're going to already controlled copy that. You do right click and paste. It'll paste that in there. And then go back, and you want to take the code here, right click, copy, tab settings, paste, and save settings application. You definitely want to install this page tab. And we're going to choose which website we want it on. We want this on the Reliving Orlando. We're going to add the page tab. We're going to authorize this tab, and basically we want everybody in public to see it, so you're going to go to app. And as we wait for it to load up real quick, there you go. Now it says you can change the image from here, but I also know that if you go into here and you go into page tab, I think it's there. You can actually change the image in here also. So I can choose a file. I'm going to do, I want to say I've got, just kind of playing with this, guys. That's not what I want. Let's try that one there. Open. Should upload the tab. There it is. Save changes. This should all come back in if you refresh this, actually, because of the fact that it should have accepted. There it is. If you hit back to basics again, it'll refresh all that information in there for you. So save changes, because basically the other program is saying yes, this is what we're doing. You can also edit this little icon here, but I usually don't. So settings back in here. So that's all this does done for here. And then basically, if you go to Relive in Orlando, we have the redirect that's going on here. And if we go back to the page, look at Relive website, let's scroll down, drop down, here we go, we have this one right here. This one right here is a welcome, I believe. Yeah, if you don't want this one here, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall, because I have too many of those ones there. And then I can go ahead and do the same thing for this one here, because it's blank. We can authorize that tab also, but there's a welcome in there that I'm just not doing, just because I've already got the blog on here, the website. So I'm going to go down, and basically what I can do here is I can also switch with this. So if I want to go to where likes are or video is, I can switch places, or the welcome. So I can switch those places on here so that this one is first, second, and I can pretty much move things around. I can move this one to be in front of videos, in front of welcome, Relive website, anything like that. You can kind of move them around. So you do have the ability to add in, I believe it's up to 16 or 20 different tabs in here, and have fun with it. You can pretty much add anything you like, any outside sources, inside sources, but this is free. It's easy to install, as you guys did see, and that just makes it easy for you. I did use a little bit of the help box, but that's what it's there for, and it just makes it real simple to put together. So that is my training on how to set up a tab on your Facebook page. I hope you guys got some great value out of this. If you did, do me a huge favor, like this video, comment below if there's anything I missed. I'd love hearing from you guys. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.